Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum moves in a little bit of a different pattern than Bitcoin. While we are also looking at lower here potentially before we do another attempt to the upside. So I cannot confirm at this stage that a more substantial low has been made due to the corrective price action to the upside that started on the 6th of July. Yeah? So we're still watching for lower. Certainly short term it could go a little higher here in this B wave, yeah, it's just moving sideways. Basically, you've got a small range here between support at 1843 and resistance at 1900. So yeah, we need to see if it breaks above yesterday's high. Then I would say we have an extension of the B wave, and the other resistances, the FIB resistance levels, get more relevant at 1920, 1945, and the reason I would still expect a larger B wave instead of something more bullish is just the price structure that started on Friday. So it's very corrective, very much overlapping price action, and it just shows chaotic movement. To the downside, that would be the preferred path. Now, we are now in a range, of course, here as well, so it can be quite complex, but this to me looks like a B wave that might have topped on Monday. So best I can offer at the moment on the micro level is here a 1-2 setup to the downside with a third wave to follow. However, again, it's not clear third wave behavior. So what we might have is we might be dealing here with an ending diagonal in the wave C. So if the wave C is an ending diagonal, then we're dealing with corrective structures in the subwaves. So A, B, C. So you deal with A, B, Cs, which makes this very choppy. So let's see if this is what is playing out. But I don't have a very strong evidence that the B wave has topped. It would be clearer if we get a sustained break below the what I have labeled as a wave 1 low on the 11th of July. And that's at 1863. That's micro support. If we break below that, it should take us to 1844. And then we can be looking forward, I think, towards a deeper drop. I'm watching for the area around 1760. That just would fit well into the bigger picture. Also looking at proportions, also looking at the view that we have that Ethereum likes to get to the golden ratio. So if I draw the FIB extensions, you can see that the 100% extension of the A wave points towards 1759. That is basically overlapping with the golden ratio at the 61.8 retracement at 1760. So there's a bit of a confluence there. But yeah, that's nothing else to add really. The idea is that we are in a wave 2 correction. So certainly the move down currently looks corrective. And but we need to hold 1700 overall. The $1,700 level is the relevant bullish support level. Below that, we will have to change the scenario. But certainly, I have to say it very clearly, we still expect lower here and can at this stage not confirm that a low is in place for this 1-2 setup. And also be aware of this potential head and shoulders. I'm not a head and shoulders fan, but it's a pretty obvious reversal pattern on this chart. And it's pretty massive, and it could send us down to 1700, but it would not tell us it doesn't tell us anything different to what the Elliott Wave count is telling us anyway. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.